Welcome to this video. We are going to dive deep into the Honda Xlt 750, a concept that blends classic 80s aesthetics with the latest technology. This motorcycle is inspired by the legendary Honda XLV 750R, one of the most iconic maxi-enduros of the 1980s. The original motorcycle boasts advantages such as a stable V-twin engine, easy maintenance, and a chassis with an integrated oil tank that also functions as a coolant. The Xlt 750R concept is the work of Italian automotive designer Oberdan Bezzi. It's a design proposal, not an official product from Honda, a creative vision that revives classic DNA but in a modern way. The engine is entirely adopted from the modern Honda Transalp, a 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine capable of producing around 92 HP and a maximum torque of 72 Newton meters. This combination promises sufficient performance for adventure, while remaining technically affordable. Visually, the Xlt 750, a concept combines bold lines and gentle curves, implying a tough yet elegant character. The material selection is also assumed to be directed towards lightweight and high-quality materials, in line with modern motorcycle design trends. Is a concept like this worthy of production? With the growing demographic of adventure retro enthusiasts, a bike like this could have significant appeal. In comparison, the Transalp's proven track record helps minimize development risk. That's an in-depth look at the Honda Xlt 750R concept, a bridge between 80s nostalgia and modern innovation. If you're interested in seeing more designs like this, or have other fun concept ideas, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.